What would you like to do? What would you like to do?
Send text to Bill Johnson.
Record your message.
Bill, I finally closed the Rockford development deal. This should make our numbers for the entire year.
Say, send it, listen to it, or re-record it.
Send it.
Text message sent. What would you like to do?
Send a text to my daughter.
Record your message.
Hi, Adriana. Be home tonight at 6. I'm going to take the whole family to dinner tonight to celebrate.
Say, send it, listen to it,
Send
or
it.
text message sent. What would you like to do?
Read my email.
First message from Tracy Roberts today, subject business plan.
Next.
Message 2 from Ron Zephyr today, subject meeting. Doug, our meeting in Atlanta was postponed until next Thursday. You might want to change your travel plans.
Reply.
Record your message.
Ron, I got your message. I'll see you next Thursday.
Say, send it, listen to it, or
Send it.
message sent. What would you like to do?
Call Lisa Hurd.
Hello, this is Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. This is Doug. I need you to change our travel plans. Airline reservations and hotel reservations. And move them to next Thursday.
Sure, no problem. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's it for now. Thank you.
What would you like to do?
Send an email to Brett Stewart.
Record your message.
Brett, we've changed our travel plans. I look forward to seeing you next Thursday.
Say, send it, listen to it,
Send it.
message sent. What would you like to do?
Goodbye.
Have a great day. Goodbye. What would you like to do?